Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This one is the Dr. Brown's Customflow Double Electric Breast Pump. You guys, this is hands-free, it's light, it's compact, it has side pockets to where you can store drinks, snacks, that kind of stuff with you. It has a wide variety of settings. That's really what makes this the custom flow part of this. You are going to be able to play around with it and figure out what not only gives you the best results, but also what is most comfortable for you, which they really place emphasis on. The seals that go around your nipple are going to be really comfortable. It's made out of a really flexible silicone, so they are medical grade, comfortable, and it's materials that are going to be durable and last. This has pause settings, so it's really easy if you are on the go and you have a session that is interrupted. It's really easy to pause and get back to it. There is a timer, and there's also a custom memory setting that is going to remember the performance of your best pumping sessions and replicate that time after time, so you always get the best results, and it's one less thing that you have to think about. This is a great option if you are pumping. I encourage you guys to check it out. Look at the reviews, they are excellent. This is available on Amazon Prime. You've got that 30-day A to Z guarantee, so if anything goes wrong, you know it is covered. So go ahead and buy this confidently, put it in your bag or put it on your registry. It is a great option and you're gonna be really happy you did.